Hello, I am Neha from SwarnApp Jewellery Management Software. In today's video, we will learn how to add return invoice in SwarnApp Jewellery Software. Any customer you are about to add item from any reason, we have to go to Retailer Return Invoice. Select your bill type and enter. As soon as you enter, the Pay Return Invoice opens here, where after adding the name of the customer, enter the bill number and you are shown here. Enter the bill number. As soon as you enter it, the form for Select Return Item opens here. Here you have to select which item the customer is coming to return. He adds only after selecting. Here you can also add the reasons from which you want to return. Add how much you should pay the return amount to your customer and save it. After saving, here you have to add and save by selecting the payment mode. If you want to generate a new barcode with the same name, do that yes, and save this bill by doing otherwise. Thanks for watching.